Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAPSD and ABAP League Support. In last two classes, we discussed about how to identify the T codes. This session also we discussed on same thing, but this time we will use the one other method, that is one more T code is available, that is SE93. So SE93 is the T code which will be used to create the T code for any kind of a programs. So this T code SE93 used to create the T codes for any kind of programs. So for example, I am in the SE93 T code. I click this F4 help, and you see the start descriptions. Again, I will do the same thing: add star, sales, order, again star. And if I click this multiple selection F4, and if you click execute, and you see here, I am getting relevant T codes related to the text sales order. If I scroll down here, you can see the T codes related to sales order, that is V01, V02, V03. Okay, fine. So this time what I will do, I will add purchase order, and if I click execute, you see I get all the T codes related to the text purchase order. And if I scroll down and I see the T codes related to ME2353 and all. Similar way, I go for this time with billing document. Again click execute. Okay, let me add star. Okay, now you see all the T codes related to the text billing document, and you see the T codes VF01, VF02. Okay, this is the one of the way that we can use to identify the T codes. Okay, that's it from this video, guys. We can catch up in the next video. Thank you. Bye for now.